tallest, smallest, biggest around the world. Largest continent of the world is Asia. Smallest continent of the world is Australia. Largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean of the world is Arctic Ocean. Largest country is Russia. Smallest country is Vatican City. Largest gulf is Gulf of Mexico. Largest bay is the Bay of Bengal. Largest island is Greenland. Largest peninsula is Arabian Peninsula. Largest river is Nile. Shortest river is Raw. Largest river is Amazon. Deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Largest lake is Caspian Sea. Largest freshwater lake is Lake Superior. Largest lake surface of water below sea, Dead Sea. Tallest waterfall is Angel Fall, Venezuela. Deepest underwater